The DUSU polls are being held today. Now, these are the high-stakes student union elections at the Delhi University. There's a lot of excitement, anticipation around it. But one thing that always makes news about the DUSU polls is vandalism and hooliganism. In fact, the High Court has also come down heavily on DU, asking them to, in a sense, do away with all the defacement of property, and only then will the counting take place, is what the High Court has said. And these visuals that you see on your screen are those of some sort of a standoff, a scuffle at a voting center in a DU college between some officials there and a student leader. Now the student leader seems to be from the NSUI, which is a student outfit of the Congress party. But this is something that we see almost every year. These are the high voltage, high stakes DUSU elections. Voting is taking place in all the colleges across DU. Let me go across to my colleague Anushka Garg, joining us from the Khalsa College in Delhi University. Again, a very politically charged college. So Anushka, it's over to you. What are some of the key issues that the students are talking about? Because beyond politics of student outfits, this is really about students' issues. And this time around, the issue of women's reservation also was one of the big highlights.
Well, certainly, Vedant, it is a very big day for the Delhi University because a lot, the student election is happening today. And right now, I am outside Khalsa College, and let me show you some visuals from here. Students are actively participating in this festival of democracy. But what we all saw here was that, a lot of scuffle happened between the students and the police officials. Right now, also, let me show you first the visuals of how the police is standing here for the security. And now also, I can just tell you that I'll request my camera person to pan the camera and show you some visuals from the university. Some students are here who are about to go and cast their vote. Let's talk directly to them. आपका नाम क्या है?
गुरजोत सिंह।
अच्छा, आप खालसा कॉलेज के हो?
बिल्कुल।
क्या कुछ मुद्दे हैं इस बार वोट देने के पीछे?
हम तो वोट दे देते हैं बस। अच्छा। भाइयों के नाम पे। नहीं, सेफ्टी होनी चाहिए क्योंकि कॉलेज में आउटसाइडर्स बहुत आते हैं और जो लड़ाई हुई सैटरडे को वो भी इसलिए हुई क्योंकि आउटसाइडर्स की एंट्री होती है कॉलेज में, वो बंद होनी चाहिए। मेन तो यही है।
आपका नाम क्या है?
अंगद सिंह।
क्या कुछ मुद्दे हैं सर, इलेक्शन में आप लोग पार्टिसिपेट कर रहे हो?
हाँ जी।
क्या कुछ मुद्दे हैं वोट देने के पीछे?
बहुत सारे मुद्दे हैं। मेन सेफ्टी, कॉलेज सेफ्टी, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल कॉलेज सेफ्टी, वुमेन सेफ्टी। जैसे सैटरडे सीन हुआ, बहुत सारे सीन है, इस चक्कर में वोट तो देनी है, वो तो फंडामेंटल राइट है हमारा।
कुल मिला के आप कहना चाह रहे हो कि सेफ्टी का ध्यान नहीं रखा जा रहा था अभी?
सेफ्टी का तो बिल्कुल भी ध्यान
नहीं रखा जा रहा था।
आपका नाम क्या है?
हरसिमर सिंह।
आप भी
आउटसाइडर अलाउ होते हैं, आउटसाइडर नहीं आने चाहिए बाहर के ज़्यादा, बाकी सेफ्टी तो होनी चाहिए। जो सैटरडे वो नहीं होना चाहिए था खालसा कॉलेज में।
Certainly, we can see that the problem of security is being raised here, and it is the main issue of the students who are participating in this election and are saying that those who are giving vote just because they want safety inside the hostel and the college. Let me show you some visuals from inside the hostel. A lot of students are coming here and taking part in the voting process, and also a lot of security has been deployed here. A few minutes ago, we saw a scuffle between the student body and the police and a lot of students are here creating a ruckus and hooliganism like situation. The High Court also came down heavily on Delhi University, and let me show you some visuals. The Linkdo committee states that there should not be any kind of a electric printed pamphlets that can be used in this whole election process, but you can clearly see that the pamphlets are being thrown here in the air. According to the High Court, till all of this is not cleared, the counting will not take place and the voting will remain as it is, and the ballot boxes and pamphlets and all should be cleared from here. It should be kept in a safe place when the voting day comes. And right now also we are seeing that a lot of students are participating here. 86 candidates had filed their nominations. ABVP, NSUI, SFI and ISA being the top political student wing which are actively participating in the elections today. And right now also we are seeing a lot of students being very enthusiastic about this whole election and the election process. Back to you, Vedant.
All right, Anushka, thanks very much for getting us that comprehensive report.